You find a belly crawl and go to your left.
All right. I can hear them out from over here.
Yeah.
They're down in there. Now, if we go out there, and we'll be able to hear them coming out from over there.
All right.
Huh. There we go.
They all got down the hole down there. Oh, just a
It'll actually be great. See, be careful with that glow stick.
this crap
I
there.
don't want it breaking.
It's got liquidy.
Yeah, those glow sticks are good.
All right.
They're pre-coated.
We're going to go that way.
All right.
Okay, not fast, guys. Easy going down that slope. All right? That's easy to get hurt on that. I'm gonna try to go
Nice and
next.
slow
Stay to the right.
Oh, and you know your rights and lefts, right? So wait, are we going to the right?
To the right. No, 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 no. Slide all the way to the right.
Oh,
Not there. All the way up here.
oh, there?
On the ledge. Yes. Where he is. You want to get down right where he is.
Yeah.
Yes.
Are we going to climb further?
See? There's a hole there.
Yeah, I see that. Where are we going to climb further?
Okay, we're going to hang out.
We're going further.
Hang out in this hallway here.
Are you going to meet us?
Okay, you can go down there. Hands on either side. Okay?
Hands on both.
Yep. On both sides, guys.
It's like doing the tightrope walk.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a little space right here.
Yeah.
So,
Just take it easy there, okay?
are you going to miss here?
We're going to stick around here.
Okay.
So they're gonna loop around
And they're going to come out
that hole.
right underneath us.
All
Should we
right.
just sit here and harass them?
Don't go far.
First of it.
Right here.
Stay right in the hallway.
Yeah. Oh, the hallway. This is a hallway. What?
They're gonna come here?
Hello, everybody.
Oh, I see. Okay. This is that.
I'll win.
All right, I made the right choice.
You need to take a breath.
Beat.
They're coming right out of this hole here.
Yeah, either one of these holes, they connect together down underneath.
So we just
And you
wait
can
for
actually
her?
go down in there and meet up with them if you want.
Yeah, maybe I'll try that.
But it's easy to get turned around.
Wait, are we going through that hole?
No. They're coming through that hole. They're coming out that way.
So we just wait here?
Yeah, we're going to wait right here.
Which one to come out?
Right here. Either our feet, either directly into there or right over here.
I need to take a...
Did he go with them or is he with us?
He's just watching for them.
I don't see.
Here's this place.
Nice little butt knife lady here.
I know, it's so, the air is just awesome.
All right.
What a good nap.
They're gonna come out of?
Flintstones.
Probably. Hopefully, that's the point.
They will eventually, it take them a while.
Alright, careful.
Right there.
Hello. Are you coming?
No, don't go too far there,
Oh,
You can't really get hurt under there, just get lost.
Right here.
no, that could be out.
I just feel like the first person who comes out is
Hello?
Is this the backside of one of the spots we went down through?
Pardon me?
Is this like the backside that went through where we first came up?
Yeah,
So which way's the way we go out?
Right.
That way.
back over there.
Oh,
Hi,
up that way.
And then it's about 15 minutes from there.
Yeah.
Are they there?
Well, you can stop hanging over the edge.
No.
Come on back from the edge, okay? It's too slick.
If you wanna
I don't want you to get
down,
hurt.
Alright, cool.
Now, they may come out in there, out of that.
Is there a camping option for down here?
That would be cool.
There are some places that you can camp inside caves,
Camp in the cave?
but I don't think there's one in Pennsylvania, but I have seen some places, like if you read Scout Life, usually they have one troop will report something they did, and I've seen people write reports where they got to camp inside a cave.
It'd be tough to, I mean, well, in this cave,
We
it'd
can
be
hear
tough
you
to
guys.
find
Yeah,
places to.
not a cave like this one, I think it's like a crystal cave, and they have
Yeah.
some sort of camping night or something.
Yeah, we're out.
Scouting night,
Oh my god, when they turn the lights off.
Owen.
in Crystal Cave,
Yeah.
oh, it's-
yeah.
Making
Now,
sure you're there.
That, I wouldn't,
Yep.
I would not mind that at all, for getting a good night's sleep,
Yeah.
especially at the cool temperature.
It's dark and it's quiet.
I know.
That's,
Well, something comes in.
That's the best sleep.
The kids aren't quiet.
Don't worry.
You got everybody?
I filmed when we went to the aquarium. My son and his son were running back and forth.
And Owen, they're all running around.
Because I went out to scout and find the ledge.
Seriously.
Well, I want to see.
You'll see them coming. So they get down and look.
Want to
Alright, so they're coming this way.
They're either coming down here or over a lake. I see somebody with a glow stick.
This is the way. Mandalorian.
No, I think that's just one.
I see feet and a glow stick.
I didn't go.
Oh wait! Stop ruining the supplies.
I didn't ruin it. I was watching. Garrett came out. Garrett was right there.
Who's this?
Garrett was a
Me.
scout party though.
You can see him?
Yeah, we saw. Wait, is mine open?
Yes.
Tisk, tisk, tisk.
There you go.
People!
Yep, over this way.
Dang it!
There's another bigger path.
This way.
You have 8 of you total, including you.
Okay, I'm gonna move.
You can get, like when they come through, you can see their head right through there. Are they coming? Yeah, that's like one of the ways they can come through.
There you go, bud. You got it.
Very niche.
Right over this way, man.
This way.
Get your fat head out of the way, dude. Owen. Simpson, Owen. 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 Out the way. Try to get some video of these guys. Maybe.
Can you say this?
Yeah.
Here, I think I got it now.
Alright, so they're going out that way.
Let me get
They're gonna come out this way or your way?
I hate that back so much.
Yeah, we got your purse.
Look out, Kim.
Oh my god.
That way.
So good.
That's the easier way. Taco, you could, if you want, you could come through this way. Yeah.
Go through that
You
way.
can get up that hole. There's a
If
big
you
hole
can
over
fit.
here though.
Yeah, the bigger one's over here.
No, I'm just gonna go here.
Taco, you can fit? Taco,
That
do you think you can fit up here or
weirdest
down here?
call.
I can definitely put up, not that.
Holy crap.
Was that Todd? Good time.
How are you doing, guys?
Yeah.
Todd.
Oh, if you're
You
doing.
got it. Oh, that's the end.
Watch out, right?
Watch first.
Yeah.
We made it.
Oh my god, my sword is
Yeah,
so
yeah.
long.
How
Sounds
long
like
did that
crazy.
take? You guys, yeah, this, you guys. How small was it?
Which way should I go? Should I just go out?
It was like.
I'll go up that
There
way.
were some spots where it was a bit tight.
Well, we're keeping going up that way?
Okay,
Yeah,
if
we're
Tom's
eventually gonna
saying
go out
it's
that
gonna
way.
be tight.
Alright.
Brandon, look up. Once you get up. Yeah.
Has anybody gone down that?
What's going over here?
Brandon, come up here, you guys.
How was it, dude?
Good, we couldn't find the right way for a while.
Have you ever done this before? You done anything like this before?
No.
Todd and Brandon crawled through. I was like,
You don't have to come this way, there's a bigger way if you keep
Down
going.
by my feet
What's
here.
even in there, Alan?
It's just a bunch of crawl spaces.
Come this way.
No, in your bag, I think you said. A water bottle. I told you there's a bigger way.
Oh,
Wait,
here's
you
just my
come
water
from
bottle.
that way?
That's some random trash.
This way.
Yeah, we're going, yeah.
You come down by my feet down there.
Go and look up.
You got it.
I never take
Is that
this
cold?
year out.
I know this
Come
cold.
on,
emerging.
come this way, there's a bigger route.
I don't like the big thing.
You're born again.
Yeah, I'm good off that.
Come out of the womb.
I don't break a sweat, it's fine to go do that.
Alright, that was it.
Look at this one. Okay, look at this one.
Guys,
Charging, a little bit
if
tight
you
squeeze.
don't want to go, come this way.
I can't even see.
But that
You
crawl
know what
space is
the route-
insane.
Yeah.
That, we were.
You only live once. When is the next time we'll be in this game?
Yeah, I don't regret it, but.
Next Saturday.
But
I'll be here next Saturday.
he was not wrong about that.
But you don't want to do it again.
Okay.
Oh, I do that
Not
again.
anytime soon.
It's just-
All I want to go.
Is that Owen?
There were so many tight
Yeah.
spaces that were like,
Stop.
oh, we know it's supposed to be tight, but we don't know which one we're
Guys,
supposed to go to, so we have to explore a couple different ways.
Quincy, look over.
Hey.
You got it, you got it. We got the paparazzi here, watch out.
Oh my God, I'm sweating.
That's where we came up from in the beginning.
I remember this room. I'm gonna swim now, actually.
Who's that? Is that Owen?
I
Hi,
think
Owen.
that's great.
Flipper.
Any more people?
Just Gary?
Yeah, it's
I'm the last one.
Good job.
Okay, look over.
Darius was a good leader though, he got us through that.
Alright guys,
Yeah,
sound
he's a
count
good-
off.
1,
2, 3, 4,
5.
6.
7.
8.
Oh. Alright, I heard 2 7s and 2 8s.
Alright, let's start again.
Coming off of
Okay,
the
start at Alex.
You start at one end and then you look at the next guy.
Okay, alphabetically.
You can start with 1.
1.
2. 3.
4,
5.
6.
7.
8.
9.
10.
Okay, alright. Alright, good.
Alright.
Bro, Owen's just hiding back
11.
there.
11.
Got one from the last door.
I finally found my way.
Water.
Alex, play.
Alright,
Where is true?
so Alan, it's straight ahead now?
Yeah,
Right? It's up this way.
gonna go out this way, make a right.
Rush?
Now, if you want to, you can go,
Can we go left?
there's a hole. As you go up here, there's a hole that drops down. If you wanna go that way, you can go that way, or else you can just get into the hallway and walk up the rest of the way.
Yeah. All the way and walk the rest of the way.
Yeah. Either one gets you there.
How long did it take us? For
Alright.
us, it's just, we just wanted this.
Maybe I should go first.
Yeah, go ahead.
It's starting to smell a little bit.
We came from right there.
That's good. I actually started doing that.
Yeah.
No, like Pinot, what?
Pina colada.
Pinot, like that little ledge we're on. Yeah. We just came from there. Yeah.
I love Team Spirit.
To get that.
There we go. There we go.
To do what?
Now we're cooking.
The cataract? To do Wait, to go to do the path you went on. Down there?
I know.
Yeah, you can slide down that hole and just keep following that path,
We just went down. That's it.
or
We just went through.
It all looks the same.
Wait, so to my right I do it on?
Stay to the right.
yeah.
Stay to the right.
Down there.
I go out there.
This one?
Yeah, we're going that way.
To the right.
Yeah, to the right.
They're being devious again.
To the right.
We definitely could have gone down there, but.
Did you sleep up there?
I could sleep up here.
It's like a table.
Easy. Don't go too fast. Edge. Okay, we're not going to go up. We're just going to go over the rock. We're not going to go up. We're just going over the rock and down.
Yeah.